Hey art lovers! Today we're moving one step closer to bringing our characters to life. We're going to learn how to build full characters using basic shapes, circles, squares, and triangles. Every complex drawing starts with simple forms, and once you master this, you can create any character, cute, heroic, scary, or funny. So let's get to it. Every character starts with simple forms. Shapes define structure, personality, and movement. They help you draw faster and stay consistent across poses. Start with your stick figure, from episode 10, and wrap it in shapes. Head turn it into a circle or oval. Torso make it a box or rectangle for strength and rounded for softness. Hips make into smaller box or oval. Arms and legs you can use cylinders or tapered triangles. Hands and feet simplified cubes or rounded forms. A strong silhouette, outline, makes your character instantly recognizable. Try to make the overall outline clear and readable without internal details. Squint your eyes. If you can tell what the pose or mood is, your silhouette works. Once you're happy with the shapes, add contours to connect shapes smoothly, curve between circle and box. Add simple facial placement, guidelines for eyes, nose, mouth. Clean up overlapping edges lightly. You now have a strong character base ready for details.